Okay, for this experiment today, I'm going to use some Uncle Ben's ready rice. This is normally already cooked. All you do is you put it in the microwave for 90 seconds and voila, you have rice. However, working under the premise that there's no power, I'm going to put some of this in a solar oven and see how it turns out. I'm going to use 1 little tray that I'm going to put some dehydrated chopped onion and hot dogs with the rice. And the next one I'm going to put the rice and chorizos, and in the third one I'm going to just put the rice and onions. I'll probably put some of these onions with the chorizo also. So let's get to it. All right, we're ready for the solar oven. I did add some pepperonis to the third tray, and this one has chorizo. I want to taste the difference between the two. Chorizos are Spanish sausages that are seasoned with a lot of paprika and some other seasoning, and then of course the traditional hot dog that I put over here. On this tray I put the dehydrated onions at the bottom because I suspect that the hot dogs are going to release a lot of moisture, and that's going to go to the bottom, and that will help rehydrate the dehydrated onions. Here we go. Here's our 3 trays. Let me straighten this up a little bit. And right now it's about 10 minutes to 11, so we'll check back in an hour. So we're ready to open test number 5. I can see the steam coming out, and it looks like it is very ready. So let's bring this in the house. So here's test number 5 after 1 hour. I don't think it needed an hour in looking at this, but we're gonna taste it and see how it came out. Here's the findings. The rice, which was a microwavable rice and was already cooked, it came out very good. All we're doing it actually in the solar oven is heating it, so I recommend those rice packets for your prepper food storage. The dehydrated onions, as I suspected, the moisture from the hot dogs settled at the bottom, rehydrated the onions, and when you mix everything together with the rice, the whole thing came out very good. Chorizos, onions, and rice. The chorizos are packed with flavor, and the seasoning. The onions are nice and cooked, and when you mix it all together so that the flavors blend with the rice, it came out better than what I expected. A very tasty rice and chorizos with onions. The pepperoni with the onions and rice was good. The pepperoni brings the regular rice to a new level. However, it was not as tasty as the sausage. The sausage, the chorizo, has of course more fat and a lot of seasoning in it, so it would give the rice more flavor. And the pepperoni, which does the same thing, but it doesn't have the same impact that the chorizo does. The bottom line is that the rice that's designed to be warmed in The microwave cooks very well in the solar oven or the Rand solar tube, and it absorbs the flavors of whatever it is that you put in with it. And that is a great thing to do. So in case of a power outage, that is definitely a good prepper food.